We have spouses or partners or people who sweat at night so much. I know most of people sweat, and generally we all sweat. But kuna ile sweating ile ya hali ya juu. There are people who just sweat and sweat and sweat. And when you wake up, the bed is, sticky and stinking and that kind of a thing. Now, what is the solution to this? Of course, number one is usually cleaning. But if this is a person who sweats and sweats every day, you want to tell me you will be cleaning or washing the bed sheet every day? That's not possible. It's not workable. Okay, it's possible, but it's not workable. Because, number one, how many beddings do you have? And how much time do you have for washing every day? And how about the weather? Zitakuwa zimekauka. So there are all reasons as to why. And of course, they are not dirty. Hiyo ni sweat. So what is the best solution to this? I'm talking about just the normal sweating, which sometimes is a little bit exaggerated depending on that day or that night rather. Maybe that night it was a little bit too hot or whatever happened. There's mtu akasweat zaidi. Fine. The solution to this is do not cover the bed as soon as you are out of the bed. I know most of the time you wake up and you're making that bed. That is a big problem. Generally to everyone, even those who don't sweat, do not cover your bed immediately you are out of it. Do not cover. Because the bed needs that fresh air, the freshness. So you remove the top cover and leave the bed to enjoy the fresh air, to get out all now that which was covered throughout the night so that freshness can get into the mattress. Okay? So in this case, it means when somebody is sweating a lot, open and cover the top cover and leave the bed, the mattress open for the fresh air. Number two, make sure the windows are open. I know a number of us don't even open the windows. I'm telling you, it is very, very important to open the windows in the morning and let the freshness, fresh air come in. It's also to do with something to do with a good omen and bad omen issues. Let that which was stuffy inside get out and let the fresh air come in. It touches the bed as well. So what I'm saying, the solution to this sweaty night, do not cover your bed as soon as you are out. Leave the bed open. Go do other chores. At least 1 hour, 2 hours, the freshness would have been restored on your bed, and now cover it nicely with the bed cover and everything else. When you get back to bed in the evening, it will be so fresh. It is very, very necessary. Otherwise, if it is a lady who sweats and then covers the bed immediately, you find that your guy will not be willing to come to that bed as soon as possible. Somebody is just staying reading papers in the sitting room. Unafikiria ati ako busy ana watch news na ni vile the stench in that bed ndio inamweka asitake kuja kulala mapema. So to avoid that, let's have freshness. That is where now you are going to enjoy yourself, to have that peace. It's good to have peace when now even the breath, the air there is fresh. So for that reason, keep your bed fresh. Thank you.